I'm Meredith with XT, and in this video I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 35 by 12.5 inch tires on a non-lifted Sport, Overland, and Rubicon Gladiator. In this video I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. The combination of 17 by 9 inch wheels and 35 by 12.5 inch tires are a very popular setup with owners that have a non-lifted Gladiator, as you can see from the pictures provided by Gladiator owners. Now, customers with this setup are driving mainly on-road with the occasional light off-road trails. This setup will give you a much more aggressive stance versus stock with larger and wider tires in the fender well. Now keep in mind that this is the largest tire that you can fit on a stock Gladiator without needing a lift kit. This wheel and tire combo will fit all stock, non-lifted Overland and Rubicon Gladiators without needing to make any further modifications. Now Sport and Sport S owners, however, will need to remove the splash guards in order to avoid any rubbing from the larger tires. Once the splash guards are removed, you will have no rubbing issues. Now driving wise, this setup is ideal mainly for on-road driving. With this setup, you'll be free from any rubbing on the suspension components and on the stock front bumper. Stock Rubicon Gladiators have a slightly higher suspension, so you can expect a little bit more clearance in the wheel well there. In off-road driving situations, you will have enough clearance for light fire trails. Driving off-road trails that require a ton of articulation will cause your tires to rub in the fender well area. If you want to get more involved in some serious off-roading, we do also suggest that you have a lift kit installed, which you can find right here on our site. Now there are a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 35. When driving on-road, the ride is going to feel a little bit more sluggish compared to your stock tires. At 60 miles per hour, your speedometer will also read about 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to the bigger tires, and that's not a big deal. Most Gladiator owners just keep that in mind while driving. This can easily be corrected though with a tuning device or a speedometer recalibration tool, both of which can be found right here on our site. We also recommend having an alignment done after you've installed your new wheels and tires. Now if you do purchase a set of wheels and tires from Extreme Terrain, we make it incredibly easy for you to get these onto your Gladiator. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have setups that you can have mounted, balanced, and shipped right to you. You can also choose to have TPMS sensors installed as well. Now TPMS stands for the Tire Pressure Monitoring System and just alerts you when your tire pressure is low. Now if your stock Gladiator tires came equipped with TPMS sensors from the factory, you will need to pick up a set of these for your new wheels and tires, otherwise you will see a warning light on your dash, but then at that point you just need a jack and a lug wrench for install and you'll have these on in no time. Now if you do have any other questions about this setup for your Gladiator, you can call our customer service number, speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of 17 by 9 inch wheels with 35 by 12.5 inch tires on a non-lifted Sport, Overland, and Rubicon Gladiator is very popular with our customers, and it'll give your Gladiator a more aggressive look with taller and wider tires compared to the stock. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at extremeterrain.com.